y'all, what's up? It's your girl Curly Top Legs back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle that I used to do when I was in high school. Now I'm telling y'all, if I didn't do this hairstyle, I was doing bantu knots. Like those are the only two styles that I did in high school, because I don't know, my cornrow game just was not it. So I just decided it was easier to flat twist, which it is. And so pretty much what I did, I part my hair to the side, and then once I got like about right here, I start parting it down the middle, and then from there I part down, and then I'll do my flat twist, and at the end of my flat twist I put a flexi rod. Now the products I used to use Cantu when I was doing this. So now I'm gonna use this curl pudding that I used a couple of videos ago, because we still trying to get rid of products. And my oil, I don't remember using a gel, so if I did use a gel, it's gonna be kind of messed up because I didn't grab that. But anywho, let's get right into it. So I parted about right here, like to my ear. And I feel like all of my sections were this big. Or maybe this is too, no, I don't know, honestly, I don't remember. But I do know that I had about 4 or 5 twists, maybe more. As you can see, I clearly don't remember. We're gonna spritz this with water. Finger detangle. Get our cream and apply our cream. Now if this comes out trash, I don't even know what to say. Our cream, then we're gonna comb this section out. Maybe I should use my Aunt Jackie instead of this curl pudding, because it doesn't feel. So we're gonna finish Aunt Jackie's, and then we're gonna use the rest of that curl pudding. And then our oil, and then twist, twist, twist. And then hook it on the other side so that it can stay in place, so that when I get the other one I can hook it onto the rod. And we're gonna do this around my whole head. Okay, now that I finished this one, we take the first one down, and then for the first one I always wrapped under, and I would alternate whether I wrapped under or over, because you just, I don't know, I just never wanted the curls to be going in the same direction. So that's one pair, and I would always go all the way up because, well, I don't know why. I honestly could have left them down there, but it is what it is. Now we're gonna finish this, going around my whole head. And I want them to be like the same size, so I generally take my hand and I'll like, you know, follow along. Alright you guys, so I just finished this side. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and then I'll come back at the end to show you guys what it looks like. Alright y'all, so this is it. This is the end. Well, not the end product, but this is the end for today. Pretty much what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to sleep with this bonnet on. I don't know if it'll be dry tomorrow. It might be dry the next day. We'll see. I'll kind of feel through. But I definitely know that I usually did these on Sunday and I had them ready for school by Monday because my hair, like, it's not soaking wet. I didn't use a lot of product, and I don't know, I just feel like twists usually dry quicker than braids anyways because it's not so trapped into something. But we will see, and I'll be back. All right, good morning y'all. This is the next day. I feel like they're dry, but I honestly don't know. I hope they're dry because I have somewhere to be. And I just don't feel like putting this up in like a wrap because how would I really do that with the rods? But, you know, if it's not dry, it's okay. I could just put it in a ponytail, but let's see. I take the flexi rods down first, like all the flexi rods down first, and then I'll like untwist them. Always put oil on your hair or on your hands before you unravel whatever hairstyle you have so that it helps control your frizz a little bit. This is it. I know for a fact I have to pick out the back because it just has that straight line indent. Ciao. Cause I feel like I can't really even judge the hairstyle until I pick it out. Cause this isn't what it's gonna look like for real. Well, I always shake my hair because I feel like that helps separate it a little bit. Honestly, I don't really know how I feel about it. It's kind of cute. It got a little something going on right here. I think that's because it's not dry. I feel like if I would have actually let it dry and not taken it out too quick, it would have been bomb. But we know I'm impatient and I just take things down when I want to, not because they're dry. As right now, this is the end result. I feel like I said before, I feel like I would have liked it better if I would have let it dry, but it's okay because I'm gonna do this style again. This was fun. Like, I literally have not done this hairstyle since high school. Why? I don't know, but I haven't done it. But we're gonna have to come back to this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what other videos you guys would like me to do. You can put them in the comment section. You can DM them to me. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.